Natural language processing. A natural language is any language that has evolved naturally among humans through constant use and repetition without advanced planning. They can be in the form of verbal and non-verbal. They are different from formal language, such as those used for programming or to study logic. Natural language processing, NLP, is a subfield of artificial intelligence concerned with the interactions between computers and human natural languages. It helps in programming computers that can process and analyze large amounts of natural language data. Natural language means a human language, for example, English, French, and Chinese. Computer languages are programming language, for example, Fortran, C++, Java, and HTML5.
Animal Mystery. Animal Mystery is a new spin on the classic questions game.
The computer pretends to be an animal and you have to guess what it is using your voice. Ask any yes or no question you want, like, do you have feathers? Or do you sleep at night? To play this game in your computer, use the following code: https://www.gamesToLearnEnglish.com/animal-mystery/. How it works.
Animal Mystery game is designed using natural language processing, NLP.
In NLP, algorithms are typically based on machine learning. Instead of hand coding, large sets of rules are used. NLP relies on machine learning to automatically learn these rules by analyzing a set of examples. That is, a large written material like a book down to a collection of sentences, and making a statistical inference.
In the Animal Mystery game,
examples are trained and tested to understand what users are saying and glean insight into user behavior.
Animal Mystery illustrates the basic principles of a machine learning technology using NLP.
In this system, learn to understand natural language by analyzing a set of examples.